Welcome to APTS Education Channel. This is specially meant for students who are preparing for Navodaya. Those who are not able to afford offline coaching due to this pandemic. So this channel would be helpful for those students who are preparing for Navodaya 6th class entrance examination. So you might have seen there is a postpone of exam. Okay, postponed. Okay, those who don't know, the exams has been postponed, which was supposed to held on 10th of April 2021. Now it is scheduled for 16th of May. 16th of May. Okay, which is Sunday. Only few states are exempted. That is Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Nagaland. Okay, these states. Okay, they are supposed to take this exam on 19th of June 2021. We'll see the exam pattern, the syllabus, and some sample questions which will be useful for the students of class 6. Let us start. Yeah, you have three sections, that is mental ability. The total number of questions is 40 and the marks is 50. And the time, okay, which is allotted for mental ability is 60 minutes or 1 hour. Next, for arithmetic, number of questions is 20, the marks is 25, and the time allotted is 30 minutes. The language test, okay, the total number of questions is 20 and the marks is 25 and the time allotted is 30 minutes. So if you see here, all these three sections, the total number of questions is 80, the marks is 100 and the duration is 2 hours or 120 minutes. We'll see the sample questions. So if you see this, you have mental ability, arithmetic and language. First, we are going to discuss about mental ability. So in this section, you have non-verbal test, okay, which is based on figures and diagrams. Important to note this. See, when you are going for exam, you need to know what is the pattern of exam. That is very, very important. And these questions are meant to assess the general mental ability of a student. Okay, so you have 10 parts. Okay, each part has 4 questions. We'll see the first part here in section 1 to 4. Okay, 4 figures are given, that is A, B, C, D. Okay, now in these 4 figures, 3 figures are same here is nothing but same, similar here is nothing but same. So out of 4 figure, 3 are same, okay, and 1 is different. So if you see the first figure, second figure, third figure and fourth figure, the this is outside this line, inside the line, inside the line, inside the line. Okay, this is outside the line. So the option is A. These 3 are same or similar. This is different. Next. Here questions 5 to 8. Okay. The answer. Okay. Left side question is given. You have 4 options A, B, C, D. We need to figure it out what? Select the answer figure which is exactly the same. So if you see here, one arrow, one line, this is an arrow. So this is not, and this is not, okay. And if you see here, it is exactly same as this. So the option is C. This is also, see in this here, the line is this side, but in the question we have line in this side. Next, in questions 9 to 12, okay. Here what we need to do is observe the answer figures. Okay, four options are given, A, B, C, D. We need to figure out what? Find out the answer figure which without changing the direction. Okay, missing part. This is what you need to understand. What missing part you need to find out. So if I see the missing part, it would be like this. If I see my missing part, so here one line is there, here another line is there. So one line, second line. Again, here from here this. So from this you have this. And anything else, this should be covered. So if I see here, or like here, this line and one more line and this line. Okay. So if you see this figure, which one is this is okay? One line, two line, okay. You see this one here till the line is not extended here, here from here. So the answer is A. Next, in question 13 to 16, three problem figures are given on the left side. We need to figure out fourth one, which is left blank. So if you see here, it started with X. Again here it is O. Again here down. So if you see here, it is X, O. Okay, this is the pattern it is calling. Again X and again moving up. So it will be O. So see where that option is there. Here X, O, X. No. X, no. X, O, X, O. So this is your answer. See, we'll discuss more, okay, in the upcoming videos. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel to get videos update. So in question 17 to 20, two sets are given. Okay, the second set has a mark of interrogation, that is question mark. So there is a relationship between the first. See, if you see here, so this and this has a relationship, and we need to figure out what is the relation. For example, A, B. So if you see here, let us assume A, B is there, okay, and C, D is there. Let us assume like A is brother, okay, and B is sister. A is brother and B is sister. Here also there should be the similar relation. So C should be brother and D should be sister. Okay, this relation should be there. Now if you see this figure, so this is triangle, this is also triangle, but the thing is it is inverted. Similarly, this is 1 2 3 4 5, this is pentagon. Now it should be inverted pentagon, like it should be like line something like this. So out of this figure, which one is the right answer? A is the right answer. Next, here some gap is there, which is not suitable. This gap is not suitable. Okay, so what we need to have is, if you see here, from here, from here and here and here. So which one is suiting more? This one is suiting more. So we had doubt from A and D. Now if you see the diagram, this is fits more better. Next, in question 25 to 28, now look at here. Here it is a mirror. Okay, here is the mirror. We'll see the image of this. So what you'll get here is, here T, here also T should get. After that you should get A. Here again B should you get. Okay, and T should get. Okay, I didn't draw the inverted. Okay, see, T A B T, this could be a possible, not this. Okay, not this and this, out of this two. So if you see here, T, T remains same, A remains same. B, what happens is B changes. So T, A, what you get is like this, and T A. So which one is the D option is the right answer. Next, in question 29 to 32, a piece of paper is folded out and punched as shown in the figure. We need to say what would be the answer. Okay, here the answer is A. I'll explain you in the upcoming videos. Next, from question 33 to 36, a problem is given on the left side and four answer figures are given. Okay, select the answer figure which can be formed from the cut off pieces. So what it forms is not this, not this, not this. So the answer is this. This is D. Next. So in questions 37 to 40, a problem figure is given on the left side and four answer figures are given. What we need to do is select the answer figure in which the problem figure is hidden or embedded. Hidden or embedded. So if I take this one and if I draw here, what happens is here from here to here it is okay, but what about this line? Okay, so not this answer. This also, if you see here from here to here it is, and here. So I think this would should be the answer. We'll see one more check. So from here to here it is okay. What about this? No. This not at all. So the answer is B. So arithmetic, we'll see the syllabus of this one. Okay. So you have number and numeric system, four fundamental operations on whole number, fractional numbers and four fundamental operation on them, factors and multiples including their property, LCM and HCF of numbers, decimals and fundamental operations on them, conversion of fraction to decimals and decimal to fraction, measurement of length, mass, capacity, time, money. Okay, time, distance and speed. Next, approximations of expressions. Next, simplification and numerical expressions, percentage and its applications, profit and loss, simple interest, perimeter, area and volume. Okay, so they'll test your arithmetic skills. We'll see some numericals to understand. So if you see here, what are first before factorization? Okay, what is the prime factorization of 1000? Okay, so if you see here, what is prime, which has only two factors, one and the number itself. So you have still, okay, 10 has two prime factors, that is 2 into 5 you can write. Okay, so this is not the answer. 2, I think this should be, okay, we'll see, and not this, either both of this. So if I see here, what happens, uh, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 4, 100, 100 into 200, not this answer. Next, 5, 25, 125 into 8, so you get, so this is the answer. Here 10 is not a prime number. What they asked, prime factorization means all the numbers should be only prime numbers. Next, what is the average of first four odd numbers? So if you take first four odd numbers, it starts with 1, 3, 5 and 7. Average is nothing but what? Okay, sum of the numbers by total number. So sum is nothing but what? Sum is nothing but addition. Okay, those who don't know, it is addition. So what I'll do is I'll add average equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. What are the total number of numbers? 4 numbers. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So what is the average? 4 is the average. So the answer is 4. Next, a 1 kilometer long goods train is running at a speed of 1 kilometer per 3 minutes. The time taken by this train to pass the 2 kilometers long tunnel. So before that, what we'll do is we'll try to convert it into minutes, and meters or seconds. But the answer is in minutes only. So we'll leave as it is. What they're asking? Time taken by the train to pass through 2. So this is if this is 2 kilometer tunnel. To cross this, what happens? The train has to cross itself. So this is the tunnel and this is the train also. The total length should be 3 kilometer. 3 kilometer it should travel. Okay, and at the same time, we'll see what they're asking. Time taken. We know speed equal to what? Distance by time. If I need time, time formula is what? Distance by speed. So I'm going to use this formula. What is the total distance? What is the total distance? Total distance is 3. What is the speed? Speed equal to 1 kilometer per 3 minutes. So 1 by 3. What I'll do? 3 by 1 I can write 1 by 3. So A by B by C by D equal to A into D by B into C. So 3 into 3, 9. So 9 minutes is the answer. That is it. Next, language test. So they are going to assess your reading ability. Okay, whether you are able to read it properly or not, whether you are able to understand English language or not. We'll see the passage and they give some sample questions. So forests are useful to us in many ways. We all know that they provide us timber to build. Will mark some important words. So what forest provide us what? Timber to build what? Houses and make furnitures. And they also provide us with what? Wood for fuel and making paper. They provide shelter to whom? Birds, wild animals, insects, and they also bring what? A rainfall. This see we'll mark all the important keywords. And existence of forest is very important for preservation of ecosystem. What? Preservation of ecosystem. So forests are very important for the preservation of the ecosystem. The fact that we have to care for an ecosystem is indisputably established. Wise means very careful use of. Wise use of environment and its resource are essential for what? Man's continued survival. So if you destroy, okay, if you destroy forests, what happens? We won't get wood for fuel, okay, we won't be able to build houses, we won't be able to make furnitures, and not only this, birds cannot survive, wild animals cannot survive, insects cannot survive, and there would be no rainfall. If there is no rainfall, there would be no growth of plants. If there is no growth of plants, there would be no food. So you can see how important forests are. Okay, they are very, very important part of our life. Without forest, our life existence become very, very difficult. So we'll see what are the questions. To preserve the ecosystem, existence of dash is essential. Just now we read what? Forest. Forest is very important for existence of our life as well as ecosystem. Opposite of preservation is what? Dust. Here, out of this one, not conservation, not construction, not shelter. Okay, the answer is destruction. Next, which one of the following is not a synonym of wise? Synonym means what? Same meaning, which has same meaning. Antonym means what? Opposite meaning. Here, wise. Okay, so sensible, okay, intelligent and judicious, they are of same meaning. Humorous is different. Humorous is different. Next, carpenters depends on forest because they provide what? Wood, wood for fuel? No. Wood for making paper? No. Timber to make furniture? We know. Carpenters what? They make furnitures. House for animals? Next. Wild animals will become homeless if what happens? Paper mills are destroyed? No. Houses are built? No. Forests are destroyed. If forests are destroyed, what happens? Wild animals become shelterless, homeless. So we need to protect forest. Not only for animals, for our existence also, forest is very, very important. So I hope we have finished this part. For more updates and for more videos, subscribe to APTS educational channel. I hope you will clear